Hey there friends, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can add effects to your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, to get started, select a clip on your timeline, and I chose this one, and I'd like to add a blur effect to it. So to do so, I need to open the effects library, which I can find here. If you don't see your effects library, that might be because you don't have the panel activated. And to activate it, all you have to do is simply go to the top here, click on Window, and then click on Effects. So this should show you your effects panel. Maybe it will show you here at the bottom left, and you can just drag it around where you'd like to have it. I like to keep it here at the left hand side. That way I get to view the properties of my clips at the same time. So in the effects library, I'm going to go to video effects, go to blur and sharpen, and let's say I want to add a bokeh blur. Go back to my program here, and as you can see, it has been properly blurred. So you can go to the effects control by clicking on the small icon at the top right of your clip in the timeline. I'm going to move this over here to the right hand side. That way I get to view the other effects at the same time. So here you can adjust things like motion, opacity, time remapping, and specifically the bokeh blur. So here we can adjust the parameters for the blur amount, the edges, etc. So let's try surprise me and let's see how that works. So as you can see, the settings were adjusted to a more intense blur setting, which I don't particularly mind. Can do that again a couple times and just randomize the settings a little bit. So that's how you can add effects to your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. There are plenty of other video effects, so feel free to explore and experiment. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.